Hello, everyone. A little short part of this section on additional information in chemical equations. We could have covered this at the start, but this is not where your textbook had it, so we're just going to go ahead and show it where your book has this after the section on balancing equations. And this is just that within a chemical equation, you may sometimes be provided additional information about the substances in terms of their physical states. And there's a few other things as well, but we'll start with the physical state. So after the symbol of a substance, we might have parentheses with some letters in it. Those letters are indicating the physical state. So this S is for solid, L is for liquid, G is for gas. So those ones are probably pretty easy to figure out what that means. But there's a fourth one here. AQ means an aqueous solution. So an aqueous solution is basically, we talked about this in the previous module, is when you have something dissolved in water. It's not the same as a liquid. It is in the liquid state, but it is not a pure substance. It is a mixture. So just be aware of how you can recognize these in a chemical equation. Being able to do so will be important in the next module, and when we get to module 5. There's are other things that will sometimes show up in the balanced equation. One of the more common ones is this thing that looks like a triangle is the Greek letter delta. Of course, we're all hearing about deltas right now, but in the context of how this has been used in chemistry for a long time, we use the Greek letter delta to indicate a change in something. And in this case, it is a change in temperature. So we are heating this up as it's taking place. So when you see a delta over the arrow, that means the reaction has to be heated to take place. So those are just a few additional things you might notice in chemical equations. And then we'll come back for the last chunk of this module in a separate video.